Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana insem TVGH so wo frame me adwoa searching
Nipa beta yechi ya ye osom fefefe sei edie ben na aka bio edie ben na aka bio masen sorry akotenet na platform so na the base wine na mo ankasa no magimi mo ankasa sa Kennedy achitafo ni bebre mepa sorry why that's not my topic today but Kennedy achitafo ni bebre no magimi nyansa ye free ni nyansa wo mu ni bi ya kwato aba first time Mose Kennedy ye base ono na base ne pa no enu nti ye to special delegate ni we ne ye beto delegate yi na delegate phone na e beto aba ma Kennedy esa na mo sabi you were telling us it goes easy mo we this time around, oh, yem na omo akoni na mra omo yam amnesty no metu yo ye biem mo abeto still worry. Who that so to social media say you have the base amon Jimmy and as politics amon ti ase base ne den and amon base ne phobia member no omo ni mo din tworo no eno ni base no base ne some kurase for ma Europe sabe kurase for can supporters Europe for no okọ Ghana agi so bi fele ono form man na bia na eno ni base no Jimmy papa and our base in Montiasi. And the both NPP and NDC the Ramontino say you consider the base party, Canadian Japan base party. Or no Assin don't who need the base of the place. Canadian Japan, Assin Hono Frino Crano, he doesn't have the base. There's a one wabon untumentro. Wabon untumentro. And when you will be or not, so and no one in say the same identity. Wabong, until so we will be our bomba be the president here. Nature as I was so crown one good school and more black crowd, so no, obey me the president cause Uska. And no Tianani BBR. And a fight here, I made the buy and I made the brain DC for. But I had to clear that. And no campaign senior to call me you. This time I'm a catch them. So much Jimmy, you bet him. Andra. Dr. Baumia, my instructions in clear. Only will be any problem. Na come mu ye fine. One no cry, na say be on previous and one more time no cry no. Only any problem. Or see you move on. It is a untie what the leader of the party is saying. Now what this wo I want him kwanta be yi no. Utie. What this I want him kwanta be yi no. At the Bible wura people man make we see up I will swap you out. And this time, your mama gabao. Me say, be shock this time. I bet you onsem. I bet you onsem this time around. I bet you onsem. If they ever try anything stupid, yeah, be can you me in the for your NPP? They are say NPP record this time around. Emfa kra into Munya steady. Munya very steady. And yeah, by force. Say can nyanti. Free NPP me free NDC for your registration co register. I will prefer so be ko register the NDC for. Cause me Felix, the politics I don't do politics with just numbers keke debi. I do politics with qualitative and committed numbers. Nya number bia na me ni obi abegina we twa picture. Na oni ni twa picture ni we no oni pa ko na kuma mutum so oni na twa picture na omo mo abonten nye ne seden oni ne ye fine ade be tena sa nipa na ye dwen so oni ne ye fine ne de ade ahwe utrim na yago nipa nyo ena nipa nyo da bi me kwasi apia mpem asem a me so me mpem asem unhumi a me so me mbuku wo kra ho kra hia me sa na mete afei sister ama wo ha me san ama we akoto NPP party. Mr. Honorable Doctor Lawyer everything. Jumewura okumkom the awama NPP ho aya akono the onunti na NPP wo ho enyo onu anka NPP ni obio Justin Kodua Frimpong. Many sound. But Justin Kodua, be very careful this time around. Chairman, when you need to about Justin Kodua Frimpong, this time around, be very careful. ya ma won ko chichire nkwase asem bi amfa mecha Dr. Bawumia ko mu bi ewo me can the plane wa ha mamate modi amanya masofo obi yes nkodua and the leadership of NPP muntie me se manya masofo obi na moji omudi na de omo be kan bi amo be ya amo me pa cho mo mfa party ni nkosem party ni yante se ye de kosha sorry ase me kan ne yanti NPP New Patriotic Party say ye de kosha asori bi anase tumi bi anase sofo bi ase de bi NPP enye Christian party NPP enye Muslim party NPP enye traditional party na sabi ye ko have some man of God bia sabi chinchini ade say ye de ye kra na ye nipadua ni na akoshe na say there be Destin Kodua, you are the general secretary and it is from you. It is from you. The amiminya ya no wona wo tro some question invitation ni come ma wo su bempa mesra wo Destin Kodua say wo su bempa boa ma wabra bo asi wi a NPP de omo aye ma yabra bo nsi ye o tem frefre ne men Justin Kodua say wo de wo beto tuo e de ma wo tamfo so won fa mo nku a ye ne ya ka NPP mu de ye mpese e beto tuo de aboye nwaku ye wona wo tro some question letter no come wo su bempa. And that is why I'm calling your name out first. Mr. Yempathy Ebekasa na ebetiao. Because as it stands, Yempo, we need a general secretary. And until we do an election, na ulusu, na okotinefino, you are still the runner of this party. They are other party ne no. Na men kwati ankwasi afuo bi so tie kire se oh na no ne kire se doctor come here ya ne bone kra hey munya se jimie no doctor ye nipa why moja nam ne mu se ana otumi se no husuntia Justin Kodua se owusu bempa abompa ya mama wabra bo asesa ono ne mpa ya oboma NPP ni na ye negative na de she me ne se endra no kura no endra kwasie no ko hwe de ogina na sorry dem a o ka de fa NPP ho obi a waka kire wo se wono awusu baifo bempa te ase de Bawumia will not become president obeye biara obekuni pecha moja obetwa moa e de asai Bawumia chance of becoming president we invite so omra so romede omedi ni and omedi ne Justin Kodua mo de de NPP leadership mo de de me sa nya atwum na ebi nimi mu ntira mo mpem asem no me ni sa de ni yo anakwasi obi aka tro sa ode ade be wo hwenu akun osi e bra he pen ni fa wo mu twese be kwa why uko invite o usu bempa no owi awase akoso camera e na mo amote social media na mo kasa mo mpanifo ne ba o mo be kotokoto na mo pa no why wouldn't he talk like that because cowards like Justin Kodua Frimpong. Yes, I called you a coward. You are the most cowardice we've ever had as a general secretary. General secretary won't take action. Oh, the answer they be Pacho. You want peace. Aden, is your name peace, man? Chairman, general secretary, Mr. Rao. Ousu Bempa near your friend. Felix, I don't care what powers he has. TNE. NPP leadership. I don't care what spiritual powers Ousu Bempa has. Ousu Bempa has no business with NPP. On Pemastem, into Munjai sa ya party ne dear. Na ya na ya ka bom. Ya munya botrena enkrofo ni bi no they are wounded and I wound Jimmy. Oh, you wounded, don't train them. Will be unfriendly, baby. Oh, say you to abana and code the way I will paint now. Why you wounded? Sit the fuck home. Sit home. Sit at your fucking house. Nobody's begging you. I saw for a walk gun and now when you be asked one command and let us the one minute say, oh, so bempa. As I done Rihanna, we're on the platform, so I say we party, I say Bawumia anything. also ba only abuni din krada in any bad light da but of time hunu ni jimi a wo wusu ben patrimiti obetena ho ete kan nsem a yenim edigu ba omi aso na ye kode nyame ase a party leadership said then there's nkodia edi a pan hoje into one kasa who say no senior man, all jokes aside, senior lawyer, all jokes aside, just think, don't you see say one kasa no direction how the party ni kono e yankwa see a direction na you don't see it. And yet church is come and craft work can come still maintain but maintain with tradition wa pampa so mo kika
Raf and me am for 30 over 30 billion no amma no but onu timi wie be ka kire say adum chedua sebi papa adum chedua agimi edion onu timi be ka kire say papa adum chedua sebi onum nyansa no onum nyansa enka kwan ekona so den no ekwan na se enko ntimi ese otimi hu nyansa na oye na adentino na kosi aso dan wo na wo so okuma mabunu adwuma ni ho emabu nya adwuma enye ana esi kosi cathedral na the income ebebre o man no I ebesa employ over thousands of people no you condemn it usori ye demonstration ahoro kobubu eho no me na tuguye sese no me ho 30 billion ka na wudemu no edi emfaso de e no man benya mi benya ho bre na nse pa wo sa raf no me see na campaign time ninti ana no be ho mo a me forget ye no the one near person goes me nya ho bre pa e no ka asem no over 30 billion dollars Ghana cedis no a game income and the bre o man no cathedral nketimi si ya kenipa anya djuma kra no bia be 2000 people na o 1000 people e be djuma ho on benyam dairy bread you condemn it but who 30 billion ka na wudemu no 30 million ka na wudemu no why na emfaso once there is not single person our ye baburo odi wachi our be benefit from sa ka na yeto ma na wudemu no eye wonko a ana we enjoy wonko na we enjoy but cathedral no ebe ye bosom kese a ebe ha wo de wo so de ti aye se dwuma ni ho enti sebe Ghana mpanifo no enim nyansa se e wo se nkom de sika no se me connect e wo se nkom de sika no eye den according to you no e wo se nkom de sika of Kemboatin, God bless you. Mr. Wason, God bless you. Minia Daniel Entry, God bless you. And Mr. Johnson, God bless you. Of Kano, God bless you. Mami Kwenya, God bless you. Mami Constance, God bless you. Minia I see Muba Akim Omar, God bless you. Mami Beauty Kumsin, God bless you. Mami Gifty, God bless you. Do and Mami Minia Mami Paulina, God bless you. Naminia Eric Atakra, God bless you. So Mami Endurance, God bless you. Nana Ufie, God bless you. Mami Lady Portia, God bless you. Mami Elizabeth Frimpong, God bless you. And Mami, okay, when they can't church muna yanko. What you say? Sabranti Hajia, God bless you. Thank you so much. Sabranti now, manga mu display din kwasiasem ejimi wo manu say ya last minute don't remind my hammer buy no wasa ko to she nurse ni su ko bu no ewi akire minister of health ese ko bam no ko man mura ya sa to car fufuro da pin so say wakobu nurse fo enso enya okasafo na me say ade ba ko ye me ya sisi pa se me wokroma na the rough here no se mo Ghana ka me ko se 10 times the rough here no na say na ma bo me trim bon I will do the same thing to events don't remind my hammer and I know say ko dem be ko 40 times because me ko ba mesa be ye the rough here no a watimi ato car e de manual still a mabuni nam wajai kasa se Ralph no so 2 ye so memye e mabu adwuma de afri trim e mabu hia adwuma ye afri trim ana ye say we boy odi ba shintelachi every month bia no ye tua Ralph ka 45 million old currency for nothing on adwuma. Ralph nyadwuma ogi 45 million nurse ni eye dwuma eye 10 million 11 million 20 million 15 million. Ralph nyadwuma more man no ogi 45 million Ghana cedis every month without doing nothing. I'm going to prove to you and see. Yes, I mechanics akao. Me baba be show at the video almost confess ye tiomka without doing nothing. Or sorry, or tikanum and on them we base no up and down.